So another couple of things, you can't see it so well from here, but that plastic clip with the white piece that connects to the cable, you want to connect that to the pedal first, because it's really hard to get that little white plastic pin in. So you want to do that before you connect it to the cable inside. And then down here, let's see, you can see here the cable back there and how it goes through, and then there's these clips that it goes into here. There's kind of a fatter plastic piece right there, you can see that. And when you're putting it back, what you need to do is there's three bolts that hold that bracket, that metal bracket on right there. You need to remove the metal bracket, then you connect the cable to the metal bracket and to the clutch, and then you put the metal bracket back on. It's a little bit difficult, but it's the only way to do it. So a couple of more little tips there. You might need to use a little crowbar to get everything in place and everything, but that's really the only way to do it.